Hello guys, Brad here again with another video. Today I want to do a knife review video. This is a knife that I've had in my home for many years. I remember around 1991 or so, I was a salesman for Cutco, and I bought a kit. And one of the items that I added to my kit was a hunting knife. Now I'm not a hunter, but this also acts as a nice utility knife as well, in my opinion. This is the 1882 Bullwhip Stag handle Cutco knife, and I don't think this is part of their catalog anymore. But in my opinion, it's just a wonderful knife here. Let's get through some of the features here. First thing that grabs your attention here is, of course, the handle. It's got a nice stag horn handcrafted handle there. Very nice. It's like that old west cowboy look. The blade is a lock blade, snaps into place. There's a on the bottom here. You push in the open and close it. Snaps into place really nicely. It says Cutco on one side of the base of the knife blade. On the back it says 1882. And there's an engraved bullwhip emblem on one side, and as an option, you can get your name engraved or something on the other side. So my name is on the back of the blade as well, and that's a nice touch if you want to consider maybe passing this down to your family as an heirloom or something like that. Now, as far as prices go, like I said, it's no longer available on the Cutco website, as far as I can tell. You can go on eBay. I've seen this knife offered for about $125, and then goes up from there. Some different styles here. I think some of the handles are different. This is, of course, the Stag handle design. I think they have some different handle designs, and the blade itself varies. There's the traditional straight edge, but the blade I really like on the knife is this double D cutting blade here. It's like a patented technology for Cutco knives. Stays sharp, cuts really well. Don't have to sharpen it, but if it would go dull after many years of hard use, you can send it back to the company for resharpening. So you get the double D blade on there, the nice staghorn handle, locks into place, opens easy and closes. Some nice etching on the blade itself. So I think it's a great knife. I would mostly use it for like opening boxes and things like that. But of course, if I was a hunter, I would love to try cutting the deer with this knife. I think it would cut right through that flesh pretty nicely. This double D blade is used on the kitchen knives that I use from Cutco as well. And I really like that cutting edge. I believe the steel is the same high grade steel that you would expect from all the Cutco knives, a 440A grade surgical steel. So, if you're on eBay and you're looking for a hunting knife, you might want to check this one out and see what you think of it. I think it's a great knife. If you're a hunter and you've tried this knife, maybe you can comment on how well it actually does in the field. But if you're not a hunter like myself, it's a great knife just for basic use around the house as well. So I give it an A. I think it's a great knife. I have no complaints. The fact that it's discontinued makes it even more special, in my opinion. Here's the sheath, made out of leather. You got the brass snap on there, Cutco on the back there. So yeah, that hooks into your belt there. The knife slips nicely in there, one way or another. Slips in there. Snap it shut. Put it on your belt loop, and you're good to go for your hunting trips and things like that, camping. So that's pretty much it for the 1882 Bullwhip Stag handle knife. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.